Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Planet Learn. So today we are going to discuss that how the Microsoft Excel could have helped us in making calculation. No matter how many the values are and how much bigger the values are, we could have make exact calculation without making any mistake without putting some of the helpful formulas. So before understanding what are the formulas, we must understand what the name of that particular cell or box is. These are the basically boxes which are particular have some each box has some new names. These are the alphabetical order which are representing their names, and these are the numerical values representing their number. So if I am talking about this box is called P1. You could have seen it from here, and this box is called similarly C1. This is the same C2. And if we are talking about any of the boxes, it have a name and a number. It's F. And if we go towards the horizontal value, it would be 9. It's F9. So let me put some values in it so that we could have make calculations. So no matter how many the values are, if I would like to have its sum in this box, I would simply put is equal to sign in it, and then SUM bracket start. Then I have to put the name and the number of this box from where I want to start calculation. It's D5. Then I will put column, and then it would be the ending box till where I want to make the calculation in the particular row or in a particular column. So it's basically 9 till when I want to calculate the value, and the name of the cell is D, so it's D9 and bracket close. It will give you the value 1443 is our answer. If we would like to cross check this value, we could have just select it all, and here at the right side of our screen at the bottom here you could have seen 1443 is the sum. Same like I would like to have some numbers in the rows, and I want to have their sum. Let me put some figures for you. So if would I like to have sum of this row in this particular cell, I would simply put is equal to sign, then sum and bracket start. Then I would select the cell, or I would put the name of that cell. If I simply click on this, it would be get selected. Then if I put colon button and I select the cell till when I have to have calculations, got some error. It could have been done by putting the name of the cell. It's F5. It's 393. Similarly, we could have checked it out. If I would like to check that what is the value of the sum of all of these numbers, I would just simply select them. It's 399. 399 is our. Now simple is that if I put the formula on any of the row or any of the column, I just have to drag it down to make it applicable on other number of rows or other number of columns as well. So if I would like to have the sum of these without doing it manually, I have already put the formula in this row, so I would just simply drag it till here, and here you can see it have automatically shifted to this particular cells. Now same goes with the rows. If I would like to have the sum of these rows, I would simply put and drag it down. Now if you would like to check that either these calculations are right or wrong, as this is the total number, we have already checked it. Now we have dragged it, want to check it out, it's 810, and you could have seen over here it's also 810 over here. Same goes with the column. If you would like to see that what is the sum of this figures which we have, just 75, and you could have checked it over here, it's 75. So this was all for today, and thank you very much for your time and patience. and would be sharing next time more some valuable and interesting videos for you. Thank you very much.